Hello, my crafty friends. This is Teresa with Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, coming to you on the Not Too Shabby channel today. I am using the Lazy Day products, and I am using my brand new Ohuhu pastel markers to color up these images. I have used some of the Lazy Day stamps to color these up, and to stamp these out, and then I am coloring these up, and I will leave all of the markers listed down below. I'm showing you my markers here. I will leave all the colors that I use listed down below, and I'm going to play some music while I color, and then I'll catch you back when I am finished. Okay, I'm back, and I am showing you here that I am using a Mojo Monday sketch that is and sorry about that not being, it makes 3 cards, and it uses 2 sheets of paper, and there's a cutting guide to cut these 2 sheets of paper. Now, I know I used very busy paper patterns here, but I'm separating everything and getting everything set for my cards, and I'm going to put my cards together. Now, I like a full panel on my cards. I don't like a whole lot of white space. Here is the sketch for this card. It doesn't, when you cut the 2 pieces of paper, you have a full panel for 2 of the cards, but for 1 card you don't. So I went ahead and used a wonky stitched rectangle die that I have out of my stash and cut this kind of orange piece of cardstock to kind of go with the color scheme of the paper. And so it will be a background for these two pieces of paper. Now, I do recognize and I will acknowledge that these are very, very different and very busy patterns that go together, but I just kind of wanted almost a wild look for these cards. I'm keeping them very flat so I can mail them easier, and just used a stitch circle die to have ground my images on the circle die, and I let the "Not Today" on the t-shirt be the sentiment for those. And I'm using my Barely Art liquid glue to adhere everything down today. I kind of waver between that and my ATG gun, but today I used all liquid glue. And putting my pieces together here, and I had this one go landscape instead of a portrait mode. Both of the other cards are portrait mode, but I did have this one go landscape. Just I felt it kind of, my papers lended themselves for that. And I'm gonna do the Not Today t-shirt again, and this time I'm gonna put it to the right hand side of the circle, and again put everything down flat. I don't need a sentiment for this card. I put the little coffee cup down below or beside the shirt. That shirt reminds me of that Geico commercial with the basketball dude running around smacking stuff out of people's hands and saying "Not today." So I thought that was kind of funny. Somehow I cut this piece of paper wrong because you're not supposed to have a full panel. So, that completely covers your card base. So, but somehow I did. Everything seemed to work out though. So I don't really know what happened there. And kind of putting this all together, here's where it kind of looks wild, that those two purple patterns together. But this was my favorite card with, this was my favorite images that I colored up. I loved coloring that chair and making it look very, shaded and everything. And I just kind of grounded that chair onto the circle. And I'm going to put the books down to the side, and I am going to put my girl sitting over to the right in the chair, as if she is waiting for her little kitty cat to come jump up in the space that is beside her. But really, I wanted you to see a little bit of that shading on that chair, which was kind of why I did that. But I like to tell the story she's waiting for her kitty cat to jump up there. Okay, so on this card, I am going to use the sentiment, because it didn't have a sentiment: relax, refresh, and recharge. I'm going to use my Gina K amalgam ink here and get it all inked up and ready to go. And then that will do it for me. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm going to get that glued down. And I will catch you in my next video. See you later. Bye.